Hello everyone, today I will be giving another sample problem of dehumidifying. So the problem is, a ventilation system processes moist air at 35 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and 70% relative humidity, cooling it down at 18 degrees Celsius. Using a psychrometric chart, determine the specific humidity 1, specific humidity 2, and its mass flow rate of the water with a mass flow rate of 4 kg per second. So our given are dry bulb temperature 1, which is 35 degrees Celsius, dry bulb temperature 2, which is 18 degrees Celsius, our relative humidity, which is 70%, our mass flow rate of the air, which is 4 kg per second. So here's our solution. By using psychrometric chart and plotting the 35 degrees Celsius of dry bulb temperature and 70% relative humidity, we can get our specific humidity 1 of 0.021. And by plotting the 18 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature with the 70% relative humidity, we can get our specific humidity 2 of 0.012. Now, by finding our mass flow rate of the water, we will now use again this formula, which is mass flow rate of the water is equivalent to mass flow rate of dry air multiplied by the difference of specific humidity. So, just by substituting the mass flow rate of the dry air, which is 4 kg per second, and our specific humidity 1, which is 0.021, minus the specific humidity 2, which is 0.012. And by using calculator, we can get now our mass flow rate of our water of 0.036 kg per second. That would be all.